Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Travis CI login problems, account and repo errors step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Travis CI website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. If you encounter an error during sign in, double check your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your Travis CI account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your registered email address in the provided field and click Send Reset Link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Travis CI. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Once you've reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your updated password along with your email address. If you are still unable to log in, ensure that your account is properly linked to your GitHub account. Visit your GitHub account settings and check if Travis CI is listed under Authorized OAuth apps. If not listed, you will need to authorize it again by going to the Travis CI website and clicking on Sign in with GitHub. Grant necessary permissions if prompted. If the issue persists, verify that your GitHub account is not set to private. A private account can sometimes cause access issues with Travis CI. Try logging in from a different browser or in incognito mode to rule out browser-related issues. Check your network connection, as unstable connections can lead to login problems. If you are part of an organization, ensure that your permissions allow access to the repositories you are trying to build. If you believe there is an issue with your Travis CI account itself, reach out to their support team via email. Provide them with details about your issue, including any error messages received. It may take some time, but they can help resolve account-specific issues. Keep an eye on the Travis CI status page for any ongoing service disruptions that could affect login. Once you regain access, consider linking multiple authentication methods to avoid future issues. This may include setting up two-factor authentication for added security. As always, make sure to keep your login credentials secure. This practice helps in preventing unauthorized access to your account and repositories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.